Hey guys, hope everyone's having a fabulous Friday. So I just received this in the mail. It is a gift for my niece and nephew that they're going to share. My sister-in-law actually, I emailed her and I was like, hey, can you please let me know what the kids want for Christmas? Because I really need some ideas. And she was like telling me how the kids really love to play, like they love to play like little instruments and stuff. And one of her friend's kids just got this in the mail, the same thing, and her 4-year-old daughter absolutely loves it. My niece is 4 and my nephew will be 3 in April, so like 2.5 and 4 and 4.5. Birthdays are both in April, and yeah, so it's for age 3+, so, my nephew's a little young for it, but, he'll grow into it, and it's something that they could both have fun with and both share, and it's kind of a unisex gift, which I think is awesome. So, it's called My Piano Musical Set by Kiddie Play for 3+ ages. From what I've heard, it's very simple to put together. Comes with a mic, record and playback, MP3 player, and USB charging. Has 37 keys, so 4 kinds of sound effects to imitate, 4 kinds of rock style, 8 kinds of musical tones, pluggable power supply is included, comes with colorful lights, adjustable rhythm, simulation of animal sounds with MP3 function, and multiple voice and rhythm. So it kind of tells you like where the plugs are, mic, DC6V, MP3, where they all go and get plugged into, the power sources that they use, and then this says beautiful, lovely modeling, collect all these exciting new sets. So I did see like several different kinds of different musical sets and stuff like that when I was Googling Kiddie Play. So they do have other things as well. If, your child or whoever you're buying the gift for doesn't really like piano, there's other options as well. And then it tells you how to install. So, it seems pretty simple. I'm sure my brother-in-law will be installing this for them. I'm not like the most tech-savvy person, but it comes in like these 3 pieces to put together for like the little stool that you could sit at and play. And then the piano comes with 4 pieces, so it just comes with this part and then like the 3 bottom parts that you could put together. Honestly, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts all together. Looks really pretty simple enough to put together. Then it comes with the battery cover. Use 4x1.5V AA batteries, which are not included. Required tool, just a screwdriver. I'm sure everybody has a screwdriver in the house someplace, I hope. To put it on, you just unscrew and battery cover away from backup product. Replace batteries as shown. Adapter plug is inserted, aligns adapter jack on the back of the keyboard, other end into appliances outlets. This would cut off the battery power. The adapter converts the direct power, saving battery life. Comes with microphone jack, power jack, and MP3 jack. Here's the power source, upgraded version of dual power supply. It's a battery warning on here. Keep this package for reference since it contains important information. Not suitable for children under 36 months because it may contain small parts. Made in China. Gulf confirmatory mark. Not suitable for children under 3 years due to small parts. Please recycle the box. I guess don't throw it out. When the MP3 line has connected to the product, the sound is output by the external device. At this time, the product's own function cannot output, and the product can make the sound by itself when the MP3 line was pulled out. Specifications, colors, and contents may vary from illustrations. I think 37 keys is definitely a good amount as well. Okay, let's flip over to the back of the box, or this could be the front, I'm not really sure. Has a colorful light that lights up. The kids are gonna love that. The function buttons, music stands, microphones, and 37 keys, earphone, chair, Beautiful, lovely modeling, simulating series / musical set. I think that the kids are really, really going to love this so much. And honestly, it was like not expensive at all. It was definitely a reasonable price. And I just got this for my nephew and niece, since, you know, my nephew's still young. And then for my niece, I just wanted to get her a little something small. She's a little older, you know, and I got her a play makeup set to go along with this. But I think that this is a great, you know, you get this gift, that's more than enough. And then it comes with this easy to carry holder, and I think that this should be very, very simple as well to gift wrap. I'm just going to put some Christmas wrapping paper on it, and I think that they're going to love it. And I've seen on like Snapchat, my sister-in-law's friend that has the kids that play this, they love it. They get hours of play out of it, and the sound is beautiful, just like it says here. Beautiful, lovely modeling. The music it makes is lovely, and I think this is way better than buying some drum set that's, you know, your kids are going to play and it's going to give you a raging headache. At least it'll be some nice sounding music for them. So this was my piano musical set by Kitty Play for age 3+. I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I hope that, you know, you'll get this as a gift for your kids or niece, nephew, friend, whatever. And I thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.